Hello friends, welcome to our channel Gym Life Shiva. So friends, today we are going to know how to lose our belly fat very fast within 21 days. Here you can see in this video one young lady doing this exercise by moving her stomach front and back with the help of her hips. You can see the movement how she is doing by moving her stomach front and back. You have to concentrate on your stomach and you have to put pressure on your stomach while moving your stomach front and back so that your belly fat will go within few days. This exercising is very entertaining. It looks like dance, so we can do this exercise with happily and easily without any tired. Doing this exercise daily, you can lose your belly fat within very less time. Doing this exercise, the pressure will fall onto the stomach and fat will dissolve very soon and your stomach will become very thin. Sitting like you are in a chair by stretching your legs, this exercise will reduce your thighs fat. Do this exercise daily at least 30 minutes per day by giving gap per every 5 minutes and take some 30-second rest and then do again. Repeat like this and do for 30 minutes so you can reduce your belly fat within 21 days very easily. Those who are new to this exercise, they have to do very little bit, at least 1 minute per one section. Why? Because they may get pain to their back or stomach because no experience in doing this exercise before. If you are going on doing this exercise daily, so you can increase your exercise time limit. Kindly note this: those who have kidney problems or back problems or stomach problems or any other or severe health problems, please don't do this exercise and do this exercise early in the morning. With empty stomach only we can do this exercise very easily. If we eat and do this exercise means we cannot move our stomach forward and backward, and it is very difficult to do this exercise. And don't do if you eat. In this video you can see she is moving her hands forward and backward while doing this exercise, so it is very good to do like that so that you can lose your arm fat also by doing this exercise. Here you can see how these girls are moving their stomach sideways and doing like running. By this exercise your leg fat and side stomach fat will go. This exercise is like squats. By this your legs and hips get tight. See this exercise how she is moving her stomach like she got shiver. So if you do this your stomach fat will go. This exercise is like dance, moving legs sideways and moving hands. So by this exercise all your body will work out, so it is very good exercise. You can do daily by putting music in your house and you can do. See how these girls are doing very simply moving their hips sideways so that her stomach fat will go. This exercise will reduce your thighs fat by doing this legs side and sitting like you are in a chair. See these girls how happily they are doing this exercise. Like this exercise is looking like same like dance only. In Bollywood we can see this type of exercise. Here see how their coach are helping her to move her stomach front and back. See these two young ladies moving their stomach sideways so that their fat of stomach will reduce very easily within no days. This exercise is a very simple exercise everyone can do who they don't have any major health problems. So guys, do this exercise daily so you can reduce your belly fat within 21 days. If you have any questions you can ask me in the comment box so that I can answer. Hello guys, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel so that you will get notification from our channel whenever I upload new videos in my channel, so that you can watch latest videos from our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.